And I was like, yes, I have a zit! But I have found the most fantastic solution to hiding my acne and helping it heal. It's called bareMinerals. Let me show you everything that I got at the store. Here we go. First thing I'm going to use is this primer. I currently do have moisturizer on, but it is not from bareMinerals. I actually make my own moisturizer, and we will talk about that in another video. I'm going to put this on. Just a little bit goes a very long way, so I'll just put a little bit on here. It is a tinted primer, so of course I had to get it in my skin tone, which is ghost white. No, I'm just kidding, but I do have very fair skin, so it's kind of nice. With bareMinerals, they have very accurate skin tones. They have everything from a very fair skin to a very dark skin, and I find that really nice for myself, for my friends, for my subscribers, because we all have different skin tones, and it's nice to have a company that makes foundation, powder, cover-up, and everything else to help your skin that is within your skin tone range, no matter how dark or how light it is. The primer feels really nice on my hands. It's very smooth, and my nose, my forehead, my eyes, everything feels very smooth. So I do like the feeling of the primer very much. The next thing I'm going to use is the bareMinerals Bare Pro. And I'm so excited to use this. I'm going to use this bareMinerals Bare Pro on the bottom of my eyes, the top of my eyes, and anywhere else that I might need a little bit of cover up. And we won't talk about any areas over here. We'll just put it on there. I use my cover-up right underneath my eye line. I don't put it like on my eyelids. I use it right underneath my eye line, and then I go just a little bit below, because I do find that a little below is a little darker. And I also find as I get older, this part right here gets a little bit darker. So I like to put a little bit of cover-up on it. And like I said, I will be putting cover-up on my eye area right here as well to help with setting my eye makeup and making it look nice. Comment below, do you open your mouth when you put makeup on, like on your eyes and everything else? I do. I don't know why. I can't help it. If it bothers you, I'm sorry. I'm trying to keep my mouth closed for the video, and it's like really weird. I like to make sure and get my cover up all the way up to my brow line, because we want to kind of have this area be a little bit lighter anyway, so might as well put the nice light cover up right up there too. So there's one other area that I obviously need to put cover up on, and it's my little zit right here. So I'm going to tap some cover up on that, and then by the end of this video, I would like you to comment below. Can you still see my blemish, or like, is it gone? Let me know, because that's kind of like the test of this video. Does bareMinerals work to cover a quite, I mean, I don't know if you can see it in the
oh girl, we can see it
film, but it's kind of a brighter red blemish. That's what I'm going to do with the cover-up for now. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the liquid foundation, which in another video I will show you guys how to use the powder foundation, which is so wonderful as well, but today we're using the liquid. Now, I always get my makeup sponges wet. The bareMinerals foundation has a nice little applicator that you can apply directly to your skin, or you can apply it to your makeup applicator, which that is what I prefer. I just apply it to my makeup applicator. That way I don't have to worry about getting any kind of bacteria on my skin. I then just take and I kind of pat it down. I put it everywhere at first, and then I just continue to blend. Pretty much the same as a normal liquid foundation. I make sure and blend it down my neckline. You definitely don't want to have any kind of line on your, right here. It makes me think of high school, the line right here. You want to blend it really well. So I can still see my little friend here, and I'm going to put just a little bit more cover up on it. We'll do a little bit of contouring, and then I will put the powder on it, and we will see the final look. My last step in using the bareMinerals for my facial complexion smoothing routine is to use Mineral Veil. Mineral Veil is used very similar as how you use the powder foundation for bareMinerals. You go ahead and open the lid, tap it into the container till you have just a little bit, and then you will smooth your brush around the inside of the container and apply it to your face. Give your little brush a tap. Start blending it onto your face with circular motions. Feel free to use more. And good morning. This is what it looks like after you have put on your bareMinerals. So we will look at the before picture of what I looked like without the bareMinerals foundation. And here's the after picture. I'm going to go ahead and put on some makeup so I can get ready for a video. And now I am ready for my next video. If I was a millionaire, I'd still be thrifty. And today I want to show you some clothes.